So the question number 9 here, the volume of V of monoatomic gas varies with the temperature, that is T, as shown in the graph. The ratio of the work done by the gas to the heat absorbed by it when it undergoes change from state A and B is, so we have to find the ratio of the work done by the gas to the heat absorbed by it. So we have given that the monochromatic gas varies, that is the volume V here, and the temperature is this. So we have given process is isobaric. We have given that. So the formula will be dq equal to ncp dt. So dq equal to ncp, we have that is 5 by 2 r, and dt is equal to d. So d, we also know the formula, that is dw, which is equal to pdv equal to ncr dt. So the required ratio will be dw by dt, that is dw, where the dw represents the dw represents the heat, the ratio work done, and the dq is the heat absorbed. So dw divided by dq, which is equal to 2 by 5, that is equal to the third option. So the third option is correct here.